My name is Macie Lynch and I intern at HP Inc. My job title is an R&D workstations engineering intern. At my internship here at HP, I get to build and download software on workstation computers, and I've also been doing a lot of soldering, and I have learned how to do more inventory. I've been exposed to two main career fields that are business and engineering, and after having this position for almost a year now, those are definitely two career paths that I'm interested in and I see myself doing maybe one day.
What you working on today?
Oh, I'm just checking email.
I think it's a really great experience to have an internship while you're still in high school because it teaches you a lot about yourself, and being in a classroom and reading books about careers and trying to figure out what you really want to do is so much different than actually getting a job and being there and seeing oh, this is what people do, and actually doing that yourself. I've just learned a lot about myself and what I want to be doing, and without this experience I wouldn't have been able to receive that.